Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick video on how to tell time to the nearest minute, just as a really quick review for you because it's been a while. So remember, the first and most basic thing that we need to recall is that the longhand tells us the minute and the shorthand tells us the hour. And now when we're when we're trying to find the minute, we're going to count by fives and then ones for each of the tick marks. And when we're counting by the hour, every blue number represents that number. So the way that we're going to start is we are going to first try and determine the minute on this clock. Because remember, the amount of minutes that have passed give us a clue as to what hour it is, because sometimes the hour hand can be a little tricky. So we're going to start by counting by fives at the ones. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And I know that I need to stop here because if I count up to the 10 and count that as 50, that means I would be going past the minute hand, and I don't want to go any further than the minute hand is. So right here, I was at 45. And then I'm going to start counting by ones for each tick mark past the 9. So 45, 46, 47. So right here, I have the minute as being 47. Now, remember also another clue, now that we're moving on to looking at the hour hand, another clue that it's almost a new hour is that our minute hand has passed the half hour mark. So that means a new hour is approaching. So as we go ahead and look at the hour hand, we like to draw sometimes to help us out. We like to draw an imaginary line, and you can see, and as I always like to do in class, I extend my line past the clock, so that really gives me a good idea to see. So I can tell that the hour hand has passed the 7 and it has not yet reached the 8. So that means that the hour is still 7. So our time on this clock is 7:47. Now again, I know that it is 7 because the hour hand has touched the 7, has gone past the 7, and it's really close to the 8, but it has not yet touched the 8. So that hour cannot be 8 yet because it hasn't touched it. And so here I've written up some notes for you if you want to go ahead and take some quick notes before you go on and do your review for the day.